wonder what's up with this fellow and who told him. Tell you, the word goes out, next thing you know, just the most random of birds rock up. What's up with you, poor mate? I don't like people calling him bin chickens. Look at him, he's a beautiful little ibis. Look at you ibis. You're like a dinosaur. You've got a sore wing, mate. Is that the problem with you? No, once animals know that you care for sick ones just keep rocking up. That's what happens. His poor wing. I don't know. Whoops. I got you another piece of food, mate.